Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can edit the counter tactics preset in the manager mode EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So I made this video is for beginner or new into this game. Previously this game is FIFA Mobile, but right now is EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So if you want to play long and direct, you can play the counter preset. Let's get started. Tapping the play and tap this manager mode. So in this manager mode, tactics are at the core. So these are a high level strategies that you can choose for your team before at any point during the match, and your team play style will change based on the tactic you choose. These are 4 preset here. Tap the tactics: attacking, control, counter, defensive, and also the custom one. You can adjust the detail within the preset tactics and create a custom tactic. And I want to show you this one, counter preset. Tap it. And this counter tactic is about sitting deep and striking quickly on the counter attack. Once you regain possession, your player will make long through balls into space for your attacking to run onto. The ball will move quickly through your midfielder with the goal of catching your opponent out of position. This tactic is the best suited for teams with passive attacker up front and athletic midfielder. So you are going to play press and quick or direct pass in this counter preset. And you can also edit this build up offense and defense. You can custom by yourself that suit your playstyle. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the button below. Enjoy the game.